Hey guys, Tony here. Sorry I haven't been updating this week. It's been pretty busy at work and had my wife's birthday yesterday, so there's a lot. It's been a busy week, right? But GameStop is trailing down right now. I do expect it to hit 180, 190 next week. I looked at the charts earlier today, and it does look like GameStop is going to be closing a bearish week. Historically, GameStop does like to keep going down another 10, 20 points. Dependent on the close price of that previous week. So it does look like we're going to close somewhere around maybe 202, maybe lower today. And like I said, historically, GameStop does like to drop another 10, 20 points after a bear close week. So if we do close, let's say somewhere around the $200 range, I do expect GameStop to drop to 180 bucks next week, Monday through Friday, somewhere around that time range. But it really depends on GameStop's close today. We'll see what happens, but it does look like it's going to be trailing down to that 180 target price that I've been looking for, and that's when I'll probably buy back in my position. I'm probably going to do maybe 60 shares, maybe 100 shares this time. I don't know. Depends on where the price is and how far the bear push down is. So I'll see you guys later.